Let's make this one. See if y'all can get it in the screen as well. All right, guys. Welcome back to another Sunday Fun Day with your boy Dudley. I'm gonna get my screen here pulled up for you lovely people. How we doing today? Today is August the 22nd, 2021. Time is ticking, everybody. I got people on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my YouTube. I hope this is streaming to my YouTube. I'm gonna check here in a bit. But what's up, guys? Hope we are out here winning. We're doing our thing. Each and every week, we come to you live for our Sunday Fun Day here at Building for Generations, Dudley Accounting Services. And today, being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality now, people. Make your dreams reality now. Time is the number one currency, so use it now. Making sure you guys are doing what you guys are dreaming. Make your dreams reality today. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Do more in this life. So I come to you guys today with another Sunday Fun Day, and our focus of today is going to be the SBA. As usual, you got a lot of small business out there who are struggling during the COVID times and everything. So we're helping you guys, really sustain your businesses and really come out on top of this thing. So today we have our focus is a 7A program. So we're going to be going over the 7A program really quickly, and then I'll get into the EIDL advance and what is done for me and what I got. And I had a neighbor who is a small business owner, and he didn't hear anything about it. So I think it's very important that I keep sharing the information for the EIDL and help you guys get this $15,000 now. So that, I'll tell you guys about that a little bit later after I finish explaining this. So that 7A loan program is for small business owners who are, looking for a little bit more funding to keep their business afloat. It is really, really for, businesses who are, struggling during the pandemic, of course, but it's for any small business owners. They are given a 6% interest rate over a 7-year maturity date. And that's just off of memory of what I remember the loan being. And this is a couple of things that you need to apply for the 7A program. So we're just going to go off this list here. You need a borrower's information form, which is Form 1990. You fill out your EIN number and your basic information of your principals and officers in your organization. And then we go down to the personal background and financial statement. So just sort of a snapshot of yourself and, your dealings in business. And if you have, a personal background statement, that would be nice. This is only required by the lender. If the lender asks us for more information, this is only if they ask for it. We don't necessarily need it. But the bulk of the application, we do need business financial statements. That's where your boy Dudley Do-Right comes in. We love drafting out financial statements for small business owners. Filing taxes. We have a lot of clients who don't have their books in orders, and we help them by drafting out their income statement and their balance sheet and cash flow statement and such for tax filing. So for the business financial statements, we have year-end profit and loss statements. That's the income statement, and that's the last 3 years. So they want to see your profit and loss for the last 3 years. Year-end balance sheet. So that's a snapshot of your assets and liabilities. They want to see the last 3 years of that. A reconciliation of net worth. So they want to see a reconciliation of your what you say you have. You say you have assets here. They want to prove, a proof of that, these assets exist. Then they want an interim balance sheet. That's a snapshot of today. If we submitted your application, it'll be August 22nd interim balance sheet. So a snapshot of today. And same thing, an interim profit and loss statement, a snapshot of the income statement today on August the 22nd. And then projected financial statement. So where do you see your business going if you do get the loan? Some small business owners we have applying for this loan are applying for $250,000. But this loan, you can get up to $5 million if you qualify for $5 million. But safe and conservative, I would suggest going with $250,000, depending on how big you're trying to get. You do need your business certificate, so your articles of organization. Of course, when you guys started your business, you guys received these documents. And then you need your loan application history, so they want to see if you have any existing applications out there. They want to know that. And then a complete income tax return is your 1040 plus all of your activities. So the 1040 is acting as you as an individual, and all the activities that you have throughout the year comes through a K1 or a W-2, right? W-2 hits us and we got to pay taxes on the income. Just like a business, you have to pay taxes on the Schedule C on that income. So they need a complete 1040, your personal income, your W-2 income, and then if you just have self-employment income, small business owner, you'll have that Schedule C, or you have a K1 if you have an S corporation. So we'll go ahead and send that in to them, get that nice and pretty. Then you have your resume, quick, resume of your job history and what you've done in the past, a business overview and history of your business, like what is your business about. And this is really easy just to throw into a business plan, a really one-page business plan about what you offer, what kind of a service or product you bring to the table. And then they want a business lease. If you have any rents or outstanding leases, they want to know that you're paid up on your leases. And then additional documentation we see here and below. If you're purchasing an existing business out there, so say if I want to purchase an existing accounting firm, existing CPA firm, and all their bookkeeping accounts and tax clients, I would take over. I would have to have a current balance sheet and a profit and loss statement of the business to be purchased. So I would have to have their financials of the business the CPA firm that I'm purchasing, right? And then we want the previous 3 years of federal income tax of the business being purchased. So you need the federal income tax from that business, proposed bill of sale. You guys see all this stuff down there. I don't want to read it out loud to you. I'll put the links in the description below so you guys can definitely get to these forms and check it out. But we are offering this service as a package to you all to help you guys complete the application and get it submitted on time and get this money that you guys, I really want, to help you guys flourish with your business. When businesses need funding, it gets serious. So definitely reach out to us at dudleyaccountingservices.com. And lastly, before I get out of here for our Sunday Fun Day, I wanted to tell you guys about the SBA EIDL Advance. So this is just a little snapshot of what I in my business got from the EIDL. So I initially got the $1,000 EIDL Advance, right? So I first initially got that. You guys see that, right? And then they have this whole debacle about, is it illegal if I put more employees, blah, 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 this and that. I had clients, calling me left and right. Am I going to go to jail for this, blah, blah, blah. And I assured them that no, legally, the SBA has to give us the $10,000 that the SBA, by law, written into law, that we were due. So the targeted EIDL advance came through as a $9,000 disbursement to my accounting firm, and then we got the rest of that. And then they hit us with a surprise $5,000, a supplemental targeted advance, right? So in total, I got 15 grand for the operations of my business. So this is to keep your business going during COVID-19. The gist is to get this, we have to show an economic loss. We have to show in 3 months in 2020, right? The 3 months that COVID really hit in 2020, we have to take that frame of those 3 months and match it up to 2021. And then we'll see if you had an economic loss greater than 30%, and then you can get 15 grand. So if you guys are interested in getting this money for your business, yes, I'm still here. If you're interested in getting this money for your business, definitely reach out to us at DudleyAccountingServices.com or get directly on my calendar at calendly.com/work smarter. Or you can reach out to me directly, 708-264-6686, or you can be bold enough. I know we're in 2021, we got the social norms, but get in my DMs, a personal message me, say, hey, I heard you talking on YouTube or wherever you see me. Just get in contact with us, and we'd love to help you out and love to get this money in your bank account. Until next time, you guys do more in this life. I love you. Peace. I got a lot of things to turn off now.